let's drill down into what is the benefits you are seeing of now that you have the systems integrated and full traceability. How has it helped in your day-to-day life execution?
Getting vManager was a big deal, and we were keen to maximize the use of that as best we could. So when we looked at how best to spend our money, the Ops Hub connector was attractive because we can do a lot of our verification planning now on the other side, on the other end of Ops Hub in Jira world. It means that it's really only the verification team that need to interact with that tool. And that's also good because, as we all know, teaching engineers new tricks can be quite hard. So they can carry on working with the system they're used to, Jira, and all they do is they add a verification label. It pops up on our screens. We triage the ticket and then decide how best to verify that and where to put it in the vPlan as coverage or assertion or test.
For us, I think there are three benefits. So number one is for our use model, we really partition our designs in a way down to IP level, where we do really thorough IP level verification. So project has 40, 50, 60 IPs. Half of them are digital, and on the digital side, we're defining the verification plan also in our requirements management tool, because there we have the direct link to the requirements. And then benefit number one here is with the synchronization to vManager, I have already my plan from CodeBeamer one-to-one synchronized to vManager, and I simply need to annotate my regression data, which is the link to the implementation path. And then I have a very nice view of how far am I in terms of functional coverage. I even could map code coverage. And if I want to see the requirements coverage, we have benefit number two, that we can simply synchronize the results back to CodeBeamer. And there I get for each IP a holistic view. Did I meet the requirements or didn't I do? And from there, test coverage view is very nice and can be provided as is to project management to say, okay, we can close this IP or we need still to do 20, 30% of work on this IP. And the third benefit is if you have huge coverage data, you do not need to define in CodeBeamer. So for example, some things come automatically with the framework you're using. Like if you use the UVM register model, you get lots of coverage there if you want. You can directly add it in vManager and new items pop up on the CodeBeamer side, and you can also link it to requirements if you want. So these are the three main benefits on our side here.